I've been a client with Daryl for about 16 years, not all the way through, but two accidents that I've had in the past. First time was in 2001. It was a major motorcycle accident. I woke up in the hospital unconscious and don't remember any details of the accident, but I do remember the details of Daryl helping me out through that time with all the medical and the doctors that I had to go through and stuff, and all the therapy. He was part of the healing process. Then a few years later, about 6 years ago, I was rear-ended again in a car accident on the 405 freeway, and had to take, I had a neck injury, and in our insurance, they didn't want to help out, pay for the surgery and stuff like that, and Daryl got it through. If it wasn't for Daryl, we would not have gotten it done. Knowing what I had to go through and what I was facing, which was a lot of uncertainty, because there was a lot of healing process, a lot of therapy. Fortunately, I didn't break any bones, but I just had to go through a lot of, because of a head concussion, I had at that time, and loss of memory was affecting me at that time, even to the point where I couldn't remember my wife's name, I look at Daryl as just an attorney. He was also a friend through that, and it was very, very trustworthy. I have a lot of confidence in him because he has a lot of confidence. I really want to just say Daryl's Freeman's staff and Daryl were very accommodating. They were even accommodating when you weren't expecting it. So otherwise, they really went overboard for you. And I know they worked hard too. They had because especially struggling with the insurance companies. I did see what I was seeing what they were going through, and I felt. So at times I felt bad for them because I know how hard they had to work on that. So I do recommend Daryl to my friends and family. I recommend anybody that gets into an accident, if you're hurt, I would definitely seek out Daryl, and I think he's the best in town, the best around in my world.